Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create email campaign on HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to Marketing and select on Email. Now, click on Create Email at the top right, then select on Regular. Here, you can choose a template for your campaign. So I'm gonna choose on this one. And now you can edit it to your liking. First, you can change your company logo. So replace the one in your template, then upload your own. Now just choose your image and select it. After that, on the left panel, just change its width and height. Now you can go ahead and replace also other images and also the text of the template. You can also add in a button if you like. Just drag it in the section where you want it to be added. And on the left panel, you can link it to a page or a URL. Now you can also add in different content based on what you need. For example, I'm gonna add in a payments. And in here, you just need to create payment link. Now if you want to add another section, scroll to the part where you want to add it. Then on the left panel, go to Sections. Now choose a view that you like and drag it in there. Here you can change its background color. Now you can proceed to the design of your campaign. Here you can choose a format for it. You can also change the body color to your liking and also the background color. Just select one that best fits your layout or your company. Now you can also change the text link color and also the color of the dividers. Next, you can go to the Send to section at the upper ribbon. Here you can choose the contacts to where you can send your email campaign. And that's just basically it. That's how you create and customize your email campaign in HubSpot. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.